Red Ninja here. I am on a walk with my dog, and this, you can't really see the sunset, but yeah, and sorry, Sabrina's doing her business. I am walking the dog. I really got hurt yesterday. I don't even know if you can see that, but it hurts a lot. And so it's kind of difficult to walk. And I've been having to keep my leg elevated and I sit because it's swollen. Come on! You want to go to the boat? Come on! This way. And yeah. So this proves I have her business. But in a little bit here, I'm going to be chatting with my neighbors for a little bit. They're practically family, so I would call Barry Uncle Barry. Hello, what can I say? He's a bear and a berry. Leslie, she's just a sweet lady and loves horses. She has her own horse. It's a police horse. And she loves doing horses and volunteering. Volunteering is one of her many hobbies she does pretty much every day, probably. She loves doing it at the fair, of course, helping out. I guess it's her way of keeping busy. Oh my goodness, this sprinklers. It's noisy. So yeah. I am heading home, and I'm gonna get dressed because I am in my pajamas right now because I thought I was gonna be doing stuff. So technically, I'm not. So I'm gonna get dressed and go talk to my neighbors. And my mom is going to be going to the boat. Come on, Beanie. This is my neighbor's house. Grandpa's house, Uncle Barry's house. I don't know how many things I call it. Whoa, look at all the newspapers this house has. But yeah, so vloggers, I'm gonna go, and peace and love. I can't do a heart, but Ninja Life out.